With the demand for mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers, shoppers have come to value high performance, smart design, and dependable quality. And the same applies to lighting. Whether you're working in your garage, shop, or basement, LED garage lights offer bright, energy-efficient illumination. This guide reviews the best LED garage lights, evaluating brightness, ease of installation, durability, and value, so you can work better in any space. Listen: Lyata LED Garage Lights 2-pack, Ceiling LED Shop Light, 160 watts, 16,000 LM, 6500K, Screw-in LED light with 5+1. The Lyata LED Garage Lights provide an outstanding lighting solution for any workspace. Each of the two fixtures produces a whopping 16,000 lumens with a crisp 6500K daylight color temperature, ensuring maximum visibility. The unique 5+1 deformable panel design allows you to angle the light exactly where you need it, minimizing shadows and dark corners. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply screw them into a standard E26, E27 socket. List 2. xlnyuui LED Shop Lights. 4 feet LED light, 50 watts, 6500K, 7000 LM LED daylight. For those looking for a sleek and efficient shop light, the xlnyuui 4 feet LED light is a fantastic option. This 50-watt fixture emits up to 7,000 lumens of bright white light at 6500K, perfect for detailed work or general illumination. It's lightweight yet sturdy, with a streamlined design that fits nicely in garages, workshops, or even commercial spaces. The light is easy to mount on ceilings or walls and includes hardware for hassle-free installation. List number: polarpra Garage Lights 2-pack Super Bright 32,000 LM LED Garage Ceiling Light, 6500K LED Shop Light. If brightness is your top priority, the polarpra Garage Lights are an excellent choice. With an impressive 32,000 lumens per pack, these lights ensure every inch of your workspace is fully lit. Designed with multiple adjustable panels, they let you direct light exactly where you need it. The cool 6500K daylight color enhances visibility, making them ideal for garages, workshops, and large spaces. Installation is a breeze. List or Berina 6-pack LED T5 integrated single fixture, 4 feet, 2200 LM, 6500K super bright white. For those who want to light up a larger space, the Berina 6-pack LED T5 integrated fixtures are a cost-effective and versatile solution. Each 4 feet fixture provides 2,200 lumens of super bright 6500K daylight, and when installed together, they can illuminate an entire garage or workshop evenly. These lights are incredibly slim and easy to link together, either plug-in or hardwired. List number 5. Lucorus LED Garage Lights 8-pack 200-watt Super Bright Ceiling LED Shop Lights, E26, E27 base. For maximum coverage and a professional-grade lighting setup, the Lucorus 8-pack LED Garage Light stands out. Combined, they deliver massive brightness while maintaining energy efficiency, thanks to the 200-watt total power. Each fixture features an E26, E27 base for simple installation and robust build quality to withstand heavy use. These lights are perfect for larger spaces or multi-zone lighting setups where uniform illumination is key.